Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, Introduction to Microbiology. First of all, what is microbiology? Microbiology is the branch of biology that studies microorganisms or microbes and always defined as the study of microscopic organisms or life too small to be seen with naked eyes. They are uni and multicellular, non-cellular microscopic organisms widely distributed in air, water, soil, sea matter within the bodies of living plants and animals. They are divided in following groups. Bacteriology, study of bacteria, example tuberculosis. Virology, study of viruses, example COVID-19. Protozoology, study of protozoa, example Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Phycology, study of algae, example Plasmodium. Mycology, study of fungi, example Chlorella. These are main studies and study includes physiology and metabolism of microbes, microbial genetics, microbial growth, microbial control, cultivation and application in various fields. Thank you.